morning students. Welcome to Narayana live classes. Today we will discuss about trigonometry assignment number 7. First question, if sin of a minus b equal to 1 by 2, cos of a plus b equal to 1 by 2, comma 0 degrees less than a plus b less than 90 degrees, comma a greater than b, find the value of a and b. First one answer given sin of a minus b is equal to 1 by 2, hence sin of a minus b is equal to how many degrees of 1 by 2 in sin? 30 degrees. Sin cancel, a minus b equal to 30 degrees. Equation number 1. Second one, cos of a plus b equal to 1 by 2. So cos of a plus b equal to 1 by 2, cos 60 degrees equal to 1 by 2. Cos of a plus b equal to cos of 60 degrees. Cos cancel, a plus b equal to 60 degrees. Equation number 2. From 1 and 2. A minus b equal to 30 degrees, a plus b equal to 60 degrees. Solve from 1 and 2. A minus b equal to 30 degrees, a plus b equal to 60 degrees. So now here minus b plus b both are cancelled. A plus a 2a is equal to 90 degrees, a equal to 45 degrees. So a value 45, substituting in equation number 2, a equal to 45 degrees, substitute in equation number 2, a value 45, 45 plus b is equal to 60 degrees, b is equal to 60 minus 45 equal to 15 degrees. So now here 0 less than a plus b less than 90 degrees, a value 45, b value 15, both are adding 60 degrees, is lies between 0 and 90 degrees. Here second one, a greater than b, a value 45, b value 15, a is greater than of b. So a value 45, b value 15. Second question. Second one, a chord of a circle of radius 6 centimeters is making an angle 60 degrees at the center. Find the length of chord. Second question, a chord of a circle of radius 6 centimeters is making an angle 60 degrees at the center. Find the length of chord. Answer, draw the circle, radius 6 centimeters, given radius of circle is 6 centimeters. Here center of the circle. Now AB is chord. Let length of chord is equal to AB. Here center of the circle. OA is the radius, OB is radius 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters. So now OD is perpendicular to AB. OD is perpendicular to AB. So now here angle center of circle 60 degrees. So now here bisector of OD 30 degrees, 30 degrees. So now in triangle OAD or AOD, sine 30 degrees equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Sin 30 answer 1 by 2 is equal to AD by AO answer. Here 6 centimeters. 2 1s are 2 3s are cancel, cross multiplication. So AD is equal to 3 centimeters. So length of chord is equal to length of chord AB is equal to 2 into AD. So 2 into 3 centimeter. So 6 centimeters. Second question answer here. Third one. Third one is right to say cos of 60 degrees plus 30 degrees equal to cos 60 cos 30 minus sin 60 sin 30. Is it right to say cos of 60 plus 30 is equal to cos 60 into cos 30 minus sin 60 into sin 30. So now LHS cos of 60 degrees plus 30 degrees. So now both are adding cos of 90 degrees. Cos 90 equal to answer 0. Right side RHS cos 60 cos 30 minus sin 60 into sin 30. Cos 60 answer 1 by 2. Cos 30 answer root 3 by 2. Sin 60 root 3 by 2. Sin 30 1 by 2. So root 3 by 2 into 2 4 minus root 3 by 2 into 2 4. Both are cancelled equal to 0. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. Next question. Fourth one. Is it right to say that sin of A plus B equal to sin A plus sin B? Justify your answer. Is it right to say that sin of A plus B equal to sin A plus sin B? Justify your answer. Answer. Let A is equal to specific angle 60 degrees, B is equal to 30 degrees. A equal to 60 degrees, B equal to 30 degrees. LHS sin of A plus B is equal to sin of 60 degrees plus 30 degrees. Sin 90 degrees. Sin 90 is equal to answer is 1. RHS sin A plus sin B sin 60 degrees plus sin 30 degrees 60 answer is root 3 by 2 plus sin 30 answer is 1 by 2. So LCM is 2 root 3 plus 1. Both LHS and RHS observe here 1 and root 3 plus 1 by 2 both are not equal. Therefore LHS is not equal to RHS. Justify your answer. Therefore sin of A plus B is not equal to sin A